Everyone, so today we will be solving Leetcode 2275. The question name is largest combination with bitwise and greater than zeros. So we need to find the combination with bitwise and greater than zero. Let's first read the question. The bitwise AND of any array nums is the bitwise AND of all the integers in nums. For example, we have given this array, so bitwise AND of the complete nums array will be the AND operation between all the elements. So in this case, it will be the AND operation between 1, 5 and 3, which is equal to 1. Also, if nums is having a single number, then the bitwise of it will be that particular number itself. You are given an array of positive integer candidates. Evaluate the bitwise AND of every combination of numbers of candidates. Each number in candidates may only be used once in every combination. Return the size of the largest combination of candidates with bitwise AND greater than 0. So we just need to find the maximum combination, largest combination, whose bitwise AND greater than 0. So we do not need to maximize the AND operation. We just need to find how many maximum possible integers can we take whose AND operation will be greater than 0. So let's take this example. This is a candidates array with all these integers. Uh, so this is all my integers: 16, 17, 71, 62, 12, 24 and 14, and I have written their binary forms. So first of all, what do I need? My main objective is that I need to find the combination I need to find the combination with AND operation greater than 0. Okay, so let's start with the last bit over here. Okay, I will start from the LHS. I will check this row. I will check this complete row, this complete column. Okay, what I will do is I will check if there is one present or not. Yes, there is one present. If I take the combination of this number only, and I'm not concerned with other elements, whether they all be zeros or one, I don't care. If my one is here, it means my AND operation will be greater than 0. Always be greater than 0 if I take only this element into consideration. Okay, so for this particular, if I take this particular column, then I am getting only one combination. So my answer so far is getting 1. Now what I will do is I will rub this and I will choose this column, this particular column. But how many number of ones are there? Only there is 1. Again, if I take this one, if I take only this number and perform the AND operation with itself, I'm sure that it will be greater than 0. So it will be again 1. So I will just convert it to 1. Now let's see this one. In this column, if I take this integer, this integer, this integer, and this integer into consideration, the 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 will become 1, and I'm not concerned with all the other bits. I am getting this particular bit as 1. which means my bitwise and will be greater than 0. I'm sure. I'm not concerned with this. Whether they are zeros or ones, I'm concerned with this particular bits. I'm sure that if I take these values, the AND operation of these four ones will be 1, which will always be greater than 0. So I can take these combinations. So how many ones are there? 4, which is greater than 1. So I will update my answer with 4 now. Now I will do it again. I will move forward. Now I will take this. For this again, I am getting 4 combinations whose bitwise AND is getting 1. But my answer is also 4, so I will not update it, and I will move to my next bit. So I will move here. So I will move the here. Here again there are 4 ones, so I will not update it. Now I will move here. There are 3 ones, which is smaller than 4, so I will not update it. I will come here. There are 2 ones which are smaller than answer. I will not update it. And after I have traversed to all the integer, I will just return my answer at last. So let's see the code. This is my solution class. This is my function which is accepting a integer array candidates. I have initialized a integer variable with count with maximum count equal to 0. What it will do, it will traverse the bit from I equal to 31 to I equal to 0. Okay, so we will be traversing from the LHS to the RHS. At each traversal, I will be counting the number of ones. If my count 1 is greater than 0, it means that I have found a integer greater than 0. I will update my count max equal to max count comma count of 1. So I will be maximizing my number of ones at each column, or we can say at each bit. At last I am returning my max count. Here what I am doing is for each numbers in the candidates, I am doing a right shift by I, which ranges from 31 to 0. And what I'm doing is I am increment the count 1 by x and 1. So let's say there is a number 0 1 0 and 1 1 1. If I performed right shift by 1, so these operation will become 0 1 0 0 1, it will become 0 1, and if I do AND operation with 1, it will become 1 only. Okay, so 1 will be added to it. For this also, when I do the right shift, it will become this, and if I will do the AND operation with 1, it will give me the this bit only. If it would be 0, it would have been returning me 0, and it would have no effect in my count. So at last, what I will be getting is the number of ones in that particular column. After getting the maximum count, at last I will be returning the count of the maximum ones. Thank you.